What's up, guys? This is Jake doing a quick review of the Super Mario Adventure game. Now, if you're a Super Mario fan like I am, you are going to love this game. It is actually so much fun. So, what you're going to have is, I just lost where I put it, but there, I put it in the actual launch. So you're going to have this ball, and the goal is to get it down to where it actually says goal. And you're going to be kind of maneuvering different parts. So you can see when you push this, it's actually going to pop this up and start it down the obstacle. And then you'll be pushing different buttons to help it get to the actual goal. And if not, it goes into this out, and that's how you lose. Right? So you'll have sometimes where you have to save it from going into the wrong spots by using this one. When you get over here, you're like popping it up to each one. Then when you get here, you are using this to turn it to get it from one side to the other. So if you're doing it single and you're just trying to beat your top score, or doing it with multiple people and like doing record times against one another, it's a lot of fun. I have played this game already more than I thought I would, and it's been a lot of fun so far. So pick it up, especially if you like Super Mario, and I think you'll really enjoy it.